We are on the way. Blah, 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 blah.
I'm going to leave that in there. I'm going to leave that in there.
Yeah, right. That.
Okay, welcome back, guys. From now on, Janie's going to be the person doing all of the talking and holding the stick. Here you go. All right, away you go.
What do you want to know? We are in Arizona right now.
Am I in the thing?
I don't know. I can't see. Yeah.
All right, so this is just a little channel update for you all because we're doing some changes. So earlier in the year, we changed the channel a little bit. So we're going to do a little bit of a tweak to it. We're going to drop down to 2 videos a week. This is simply because
he's spending too much time.
Apparently I'm spending too much time. No, that's not the reason. The reason is we want to improve quality, make things better for you to watch. So our Sunday special is going to be gone. It's going to change to being a Saturday special. The reason we're doing this is because when we're back in Australia, when we post it on Saturday, it'll end up popping up in the US on Friday evening, quite late probably. So it'll work out better that the Saturday special will be a Saturday special globally. Our Tuesdays, Trailblazing Tuesdays, which used to be RV park reviews, that is damn boring.
Yes, I keep telling you, don't need to do reviews on the campground.
And you know, there's so many places that you can go and look at reviews and get reviews, and you know, we don't look at YouTube to get our reviews. We go to things like Campendium or RV Life or something like that, which I'm sure you all do as well. So we're dumping it. It's just a big annoyance, and it is really boring.
Yes, you're boring.
Yes, so Trailblazing Tuesdays is now going to be all of the walks.
Boring too.
Trailblazing Tuesdays is going to be all of our walks that we do. Now, Janie and I, we really like getting out into the nature and doing all of the hikes and going places and seeing things and hiking up mountains and down canyons and through forests and all that sort of stuff. And that's really going to be what the basis of our channel is going to become, because we're outdoorsy, we like doing it, we're old, we like to be able to show what older people, older folks can do. So if that's something that you're interested in, this will end up being the channel for you, because we're not super fit, we've got knackered knees, we've got knackered hips. So if we can do it, anybody can do it. So those are the 2 fundamental changes of the channel, and it'll be starting tomorrow with
Yay!
with some walks and things that we've already done. We've already uploaded them. So there we go. See you next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. We need 150 more subscribers, and then we're going to have that magic 1,000 and a lot more hours. And of course, once we get the hours and the subscribers, YouTube can start paying us some money, and we can send that money to charity, which is what it's all about.
Yeah, click it even though it's boring.
This is the channel advocate here, making sure that our subscribers know they're onto a good deal here. So what's the channel?
Boring.
Okay, see you next time, guys.
Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.